Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com. Today I'm super excited. We just got this new 2011 Toyota Sienna with a BraunAbility side entry conversion with kneeling feature. This Sienna XLE is fully loaded, features a V6 engine, sunroof, leather seats, and a whole lot more. Now it's time to take it on a test ride and also demonstrate the conversion. Now is the time to regain your mobility independence with this Toyota Sienna. Don't delay, call today to schedule a no-obligation test drive and also ask about our extended warranties.